In this episode, we are going to see the most fundamental and basic shapes of the drawings for beginners. My name is Raja Moganam. Welcome to my channel. There are three basic shapes that almost covers every object in the world: circle, square, and triangle. Most of us already know these basic shapes. Did we ever realize that almost any complex objects that can split into these simple forms? See the illustration of an elephant in the picture. The head is a circle and the body is a square and the trunk is a rectangle. It's a combination of basic forms. See the next illustration. It's a chair. It's basically a collective of all squares. And the mountain, it's a triangle. The basic shapes everywhere. Let's go and draw the circle. Circle is almost everywhere. Human head, it's a oval. Animal and bird heads are circle. Once you learn to draw a circle, then it's a matter of time to manipulate the circle into object. When you draw a circle, or not only circle, any object, anything, do not give more pressure at the first attempt. Don't press too much on your pencil. Draw very light over and over again until you get a desired shape. Once you get the desired shape, then you give more pressure to finalize the drawing. When you draw a circle, do not move your wrist or do not move your fingers. You move your whole arm, like from your shoulder. You move the whole arm. You will get a perfect circle. It's not a matter of getting perfect circle. It's very hard to get a perfect circle. We try our best. When you draw a square, begin with the line. Begin with the horizontal line. Move your hand horizontally and vertically with a very slight pressure. Just put a line over and over till you get a straight line. When you make a line, you move your hand, not your finger, or don't move your wrist. Move your whole hand. You will get a very good line. Same way I told you before, do not press very hard your pencil. Just give a very light and gentle lines. Once you get it right, then you give more pressure and make it visible. Same way we draw the triangle also. This is not to draw a perfect circle, a perfect square, a perfect triangle. It's about understanding the shapes, basic shapes in our day-to-day life objects. The intention of this lesson is to realize you can draw any drawing by splitting that into basic forms. That is the whole intention. We are training our brain to see the simplicity in every complex form. We are instructing our brain to see, hey, this is not too difficult to draw. You can draw this. You can draw this. What are the key takeaways from this lesson? Do not give more pressure when you draw at your first attempt. Draw very light and give it many trials until you get a good result. When you draw a circle or a horizontal line, do not move your wrist or your fingers, move your whole arm to get a perfect circle. Do not use any templates like scales for a line and bangle for a circle or a grid line. If you use a templates, you cannot build up your muscle memory to learn these basic shapes. So just try with the bare hands. Last but not least, practice. Practice more. The more you practice, the faster you learn. So keep drawing until you get a good confidence. Don't worry about the result. Important thing is keep drawing, practicing, practice more. That is important. Thanks for watching my video, and the next lesson we'll see how to shade the basic shapes, and we see how light plays an important role in the drawings and shading. Thank you very much for watching my video once again.